so I've been driving this 911 more and more, and I'm getting really used to it. One thing I've noticed, so a few more things that I haven't talked about. Number one is the fuel tank. The fuel tank is much smaller than I thought. I tried to fill it up all the way. It seemed like it only took like 40 liters or something. That's ridiculous considering how thirsty this car is. And then the more I drive it, the more annoyed of the gearbox I'm getting, because if I keep it in automatic mode, they don't even have a sport mode, so you cannot make the shifts more aggressive. So you're only given two choices: the automatic mode and the manual mode. The automatic mode is just okay, it works around town, but what you really want to do is put it into manual mode. But the problem with the manual mode is that it's also not good. So you're kind of left in between, and you just can't help wondering, like, oh, if only this was a manual, if only this was a dual clutch. It's a shame, because in the world of 911s, you are basically spoiled by choice. You have so many choices, so many different flavors of the 911, so many options, that it makes this car seem like it could be so much better. If you were to say that with, let's say, my M5, which is full of things that I could pick out and rant on for a really long time, but I don't, because, well, too bad. That's the only E34 M5 you can get. You know, there's not much choice, and being spoiled by choice is kind of what ruins this car. So it's not fully this car's fault. It's just that Porsche made too many options. Is that a bad thing? No, it's not a bad thing. But the acceleration is so addictive. Look at how slow that gear shift was. Try to downshift. Oh, it's horrible. There's no rev matching, so it's using completely engine braking to slow the car down. It just feels bad. You get this surge of the deceleration. It's kind of unpredictable because it doesn't happen immediately after you downshift. It takes like a second or two. And so if you're going into a corner, you downshift, it downshifts too late, that could really mess up your cornering. Trail braking helps this car. Puts weight back onto front axles. Constantly having to look down at what gear it's in. Kind of annoying. Oh, but it handles beautifully. Look at the brakes. The brakes are so good. This is what 911 is about. Carving corners. You're cornering, you forget about all the other complaints that I just mentioned. It's beautiful, it's so delicate. friend told me no matter what, don't turn it off. So I'm gonna keep it on. sense now. I can't even tell that because it's a convertible, it feels less stiff. The grip is just on and on and on. 1.6 Turbo S Cabriolet with the automatic gearbox. I can tell you, there is one for sale, and you've been waiting for a 911. It's a good price. Just get it, man. Just get it. However, if you're spoiled with choice, I don't know about other countries. In Thailand, we honestly don't have that much choice. Sorry about the squeaking. That's coming from the camera rig. It's not the car. If you don't have much choice, then yeah, this car makes total sense. If you do have the choice, if you can choose perhaps a later car, 997 with PDK, or maybe find a manual, definitely go for the manual. But if people give you shit for having this car, man, they don't understand. They do not understand. Bring them to roads like this and just have them sit in the passenger seat. Don't even let them drive it. They don't deserve it. And show them what this car can do. And once you, the driver, are in tune with the transmission, it's not too bad. It honestly is not too bad. You can condition yourself to get used to it. Wow. That was spectacular. One of the best drives I've had in some time. Alright, I'm gonna find a place to stop and gather up